All right, Autofiber team, today I want to talk to you about the original fan favorite smooth glass towel for glass cleaning, and it has a secret use. I'm going to show it to you at the end of the video, so stick around for that. Let me show you how awesome this streak-free smooth glass towel is. Look at that. One wipe, not back and forth, one pass, no streaks. All right, I promised I would talk to you about a secret tip that we use the smooth glass towel for, and that is clear bra installations. So our slip solution sometimes needs to be dried off on the edges to get the edges to lay down. If you use a regular towel that has lint, you will get lint under the film and potentially on the paint for the next panel you work on, causing you a lot of problems. Well, guess what? The smooth glass towel does not leave lint, so you can use this to get slip solution out of your clear bra at the end. So streak-free windows and lint-free PPF installs, smooth glass towel from Autofiber.